Hi guys, it's a quick video log to show you tree cam has been placed in this position and JD's has been placed in that position. We're going to put some fruit here today instead of all the way down there. We're doing the science and study, cryptozoology, science and study of unknown species like the Yowie here in Australia, also known as the Aussie Bigfoot, cousin to the US Bigfoot, Sasquatch. Here deep in the rainforest, in another section close to a place we called Apple Rock, where we got our first Yowie on a tree cam. So stay tuned guys as we find more interesting stuff